Hi guys, so I popped at M&S yesterday. So I actually went in to get some smart trousers for work because I actually didn't have any black ones that fit me anymore, and there was lots of sale stuff on, and then we ended up having to go upstairs because my daughter needed her nappy changing, and to be honest with you, I got completely carried away with the stuff upstairs and I forgot to get my smart trousers. But I did pick up quite a few bits and I'm so impressed with what I picked up. It was so nice kind of shopping somewhere different because you know me, I do normally stick to like the bargain stores. But I managed to find some really nice cleaning products. I got some lingerie in the sale, and I also got some beauty bits as well. So I'm going to show you sort of everything that I picked up. So let's start off with... Shall I start off with the beauty bits? Yeah, let's start off with the beauty bits. So I got, well, beauty / home. This is, I picked up one of these candles. So it's a Balance apothecary, I'm not sure how to say that. And this was £8, but I absolutely love the design of this. I love that it's in like a brown glass pot. It's got a black lid on it, and they had loads of these in with like lots of different scents. And this one was just my favourite, so I'm not very good at explaining scents, but they describe it as vetiver. I'm gonna have to put a WhatsApp, sorry, I don't know how any of these words are pronounced. Geranium, black pepper, jasmine and cinnamon leaf. But it just didn't smell too autumnal, even though it's got like cinnamon in there. So yeah, just a really nice sort of fresh-ish smelling scent. And this one's called Balance, and they had like sleep, calm, meditate, they had all like different ones. So I think these are from their like relaxing range. So my plan for this, well, I was going to put it downstairs, however on a Friday I like to have like a nice big shower, and by big shower I mean hair, tan, nails, all of that happens on a Friday, and then I like tend to chill out for a bit after the girls have gone to bed. So I thought, oh, I'll have this, put the candle on, sit on the bed, chill out, watch some YouTube. I thought that'd be quite nice. So yeah, for £8 really happy with that, and I'm very sort of intrigued to see how strong the scent is, because if it is a good strong scent, then I might get another one for downstairs, because our downstairs is all open plan and it's really hard to get a candle that can like fill that space. So fingers crossed for the M&S ones, I have high hopes. Then I picked up something for my nan, because she's so good at looking after the girls and she never asks for anything, and she said she wanted to start collecting like the M&S perfumes, like the little ones. So she's got like an array of different ones that she can use. Her favourite is Ylang Ylang, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to get a kick started. So I picked this up, and it's Mandarin and Ylang Ylang scent. It smells really nice. I took my daughter in and we both had a spritz of perfume. She loves that. She's 3, but do you know what I mean, it's like quite a grown-up thing to do, isn't it? So she found it so fun, like going and picking like all the different perfumes and trying them out and stuff. So yeah, this one is the purple one, and I did smell it in the shop and it's very nice. And I've had the butterfly one. I don't think they do it anymore, but that used to be the scent that I wore at uni. I used to get so many compliments, and it lasts all day as well. This was £6, and it is, oh, it is an eau de toilette. I didn't know if it was an eau de parfum. But yeah, it is actually eau de toilette, and I think the bigger ones, they work out quite a bit better in value. And for the big one is 100ml, and I believe that is £12.50, whereas this is, what is this? This is 30ml, and I believe this was £5 or £6. I think still a good price, because like I said, I know that these perfumes last a long time, having had them myself before. And then for me, because I was in a bit of a mood yesterday where I just wanted to treat myself, so I picked up these shampoo and conditioner. So this is actually from the same range as the candle. You can see it's got that same sort of vibe. These are actually plastic bottles, not glass though, which is good for in the shower, because oh my god, if they were glass they'd definitely like damage the bath if they fell off. So this is for dry, damaged or unruly hair. Now I would definitely say my hair is unruly. It needs a lot of taming. Like I've had to put heat on it today because my daughter was brushing it, and the thing is, because I have curly hair, if it is brushed it literally looks like ginger candy floss. So yeah, we've had to tame it a little bit, but I thought these would be good to try. So this has sweet almond milk, wheat germ, cedarwood and cinnamon bark in, and they had 2 different types. They also had one for hair that's sort of like thinner and needs more volume, but seriously, my hair doesn't need any more volume. Like I have to take volume out, not put it in. And yeah, they just smell really nice. I say it's like a grown-up smell. Do you know what I mean? Do you know, you can get quite sweet smelling things. I wouldn't say this is sweet. I don't really know how to explain it. It's very clean smelling but very grown up. That's how I would put it. And I think that these will look really nice in the bathroom as well. In fact, after I'm done with these, I might even just keep the bottles and refill them. I also like that these sorts of lids as well, not the soap style lids that you see on quite a lot of bottles like this, because when you've got hair as long and as thick as mine, you can never get enough out with pumping. It takes you ages. So yeah, these will be perfect. And these were £7.50 each, so you actually get quite a lot in here though. You get 500 ml, so I feel like these will last for quite a while. They are obviously a little bit more expensive to the bargain shops, but sometimes I do feel like treating myself, and I don't think they're as expensive as, do you know, like the proper branded hair stuff, like if you was going to go and get like salon quality stuff. So hopefully this will be a good in between, and I am hoping I'm going to be able to tell the difference in my hair between using these and like the cheaper products, because to be honest with you, I'm not normally fussy with hair stuff. I, you know, have committed to the fact that I just have very frizzy hair and it would take a lot to tame it, and even like the most expensive brands that I've used before, I haven't managed to. So for me it's like, well, if an expensive product can't do it, there's no point in using expensive stuff. But gonna give M&S a go and see if there's any like difference, or if I see any difference. We'll move on to cleaning stuff next, because again, I normally just go like B&M, Home Bargains, but there isn't that sort of shop in the centre of our town. Like, it's a little bit more out of the way, and I had both kids, so yeah, it's just like a bit of a trek for them. So I ended up going M&S, and do you know what, I think I'm gonna go there again because they had some really nice scented stuff. The first item that I picked up was this 2-in-1 bio laundry capsules. There is 12 in here. It's not loads, but they do smell really nice, and I have already used them and I can tell you that they are good. Now, my washing has been smelling absolutely amazing. Now, I don't know if it's down to these or if it's down to the softener, which I will show you, but these are only, so these are only £2.80, so I do think they are a little bit more expensive than like the B&M brands ones, or like the, not B&M brand, because I think they're in Home Bargains as well, but like the cheaper branded tabs that we use. But yeah, it's nice to have a change, and these do smell nice. And then I think it is this that has been making my washing smell amazing. I am definitely going to go back in for more of the softener because it lasts on the clothes. So I feel like there's some people's laundry, like the girls' granddad's laundry, right? I don't know what he does to it because I use the same products and his laundry just smells amazing. And mind you, he does dry it outside, and I think that may be the difference. However, just with the way that our garden is set out, we don't really get the sunshine to be able to do it at this time of year, whereas he's got this like really good spot where he's got his, like, where he can do his laundry. So got this, and I must say, even after it's been in the tumble dryer, it smells amazing. So this is the pomegranate and velvet woods one. You get 25 washes in here, so it's a little bit smaller, but the you don't put as much in, and it smells stronger than any of the branded stuff that I've used, like the Lenore, all the other brands like the Surf and stuff that I've used before. And I feel like this is like comparable in price. Yeah, so this is £2 for this, and I have to say it is one of those products that I'm so enjoying using that I'm definitely going to go back in and get, because you put your clothes on, you think, it smells really nice. A little bit of a boring product, but I did need this, and it is thick toilet gel, and I just got the sparkling wave scent. I did have a smell of this, and it just smells like a very fresh scented, you know, product. It's not a like an amazing smell. My favorite one to use down the toilet is the blue one, the pink one. It smells like rose, and it's all pink in the toilet. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It's the best toilet cleaner. But yeah, I just thought I'd get some of this because I needed it, and it was only £1. So again, it's comparable to like the products that you do get in B&M and Home Bargains, because I am one of those people, because I do shop in the bargain stores a lot, and then going to the supermarkets think, oh, I'm not paying those prices. But you know, occasionally you do go out, well, I go out and I think, oh, that stuff is just as cheap as, you know, the other stores, and it is quite nice to shop somewhere else and to try their products out. So I've not tested that out yet because I've still got some of my blue, but the products that I've tested so far in the cleaning section of M&S, like the washing stuff, so impressed with. But I feel like this will be the real test. I needed some washing up liquid, so I have gone for their Italian lemon and ginger one. I love the packaging on this. I feel like it's not actually too ugly to put out on the sides, and it is very lemony. I did smell it in the store, but I feel like if you don't get the Fairy brand, I don't know, they're normally just not as good, are they? So like I said, this will be the real test to see if the products are good. It does say it's made in the UK as well, and it's made with the botanical essential oil. So yeah, I think this was £1.50, so not a bad price. And like I say, I do quite like the packaging of this one as well. So yes, we'll give that a go and we'll see if it's any good. Now if it is any good, you'll probably be seeing another M&S like cleaning. And just moving on into some of the lingerie bits that I picked up. So the first thing that I spotted that set me off actually on the buying spree was this bra, because it very much reminded me of the Calvin Klein style ones. These are just nice for chilling around the house in. I am trying to move back into normal bras because I'm not breastfeeding as much as I once was. Like, my daughter doesn't really need feeding in the day anymore. It's just like at night time and sometimes in the morning. But I thought this would be nice to chill around the house. So yeah, it's super soft, and it was originally £10 and now it has gone down to £4. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to pick that up because it does feel good quality. And to be honest with you, I have bought knickers and bras from Primark, but particularly the knickers. This is why I went to M&S as well. And I've only worn them a few times and put them in the wash, and they've already gone like stringy and the threads are coming out. And yes, they are cheaper, but I feel like it's a little bit of a false economy because you're having to keep rebuying and rebuying. So I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to go to the good old-fashioned M&S and get myself some good quality ones. And I was so lucky that they had stuff in the sale. And then they did also have the matching knickers to go with those bras. So yeah, again, I got these in a size medium because I just wanted them to be comfortable, because these are definitely going to be for chilling around the house. And these were reduced from £5 to £2.50. And then the final items that I got were a pack of 3 knickers. And these are really nice. They're like lacy, but they're like brief style because, you know, I've got to be comfy. So they've got this really pretty pink pair with like the love tape around the top. They've got this, oh, you know, one of my favourite colours is sage green. These are kind of like polka dotted with like a nice stripe detail around the top. And then a good old fashioned white pair of knickers, which I feel like you always need because, you know, putting them underneath like lighter coloured clothes. And yeah, I just love how they're all finished with this lacy detail. So these were supposed to be £14, which actually I don't think is too bad. Anyway, they were then reduced to £9.50 and then they were reduced again to £7. So I think that's actually really good. For the detail on the knickers, I think that is actually more near Primark prices. But I'm hoping that these last a little bit longer. But saying that, these are that kind of like thin, obviously like lacy material, so they're not going to be as sturdy as say like the cotton ones before this. So yeah, that was everything from this haul. I really hope you liked it. Don't really shop in M&S normally, but I think I'm definitely converted, and I'll definitely be going back in for some of that like softener because it just smells absolutely amazing on the laundry. I'm very excited to try the shampoo and conditioner out just because I feel like I've got really good hair to test it on, because my hair is so frizzy. It is so difficult. It's a very difficult texture. I can tell if it's a good product or not. So yeah, fingers crossed that it all works out. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.